Fish on. What we have here seems like a good fish. Really close. Ooh. And it feels like a familiar fish. Let's see. It was really close at the breakers. Muddy water. What can it be? A few things, but I had something in mind. If we can land it. Oh, what is this? Kind of looks weird. I don't see much. Just the tail swinging, but feels like a good fish. Don't want to rush it. Hope it's a eatable fish. Doesn't want to come to the beach. I don't blame her. I'm looking at my line and it's like, feels weird. It's really close to the bottom. Keeps fighting. Let's lose my drag a little bit. Oh. Came to the beach easy, but now doesn't want to let go. Taking it easy with those breakers. Let it get tired. That's a nice fish. Eatable or not, I would love to land it and see what it is. I just saw the tail swinging. I have an idea, but I could be totally wrong. Judging by my line and where the fish is, could be a good fish. Or maybe it's hooked wrong. Maybe it's fall hooked. Not sure. Either way, let's take it easy, try to land it. Yep, that's what I thought it was. Nice black drum. Really close to the beach. Whew. Nice one. Look at this joker. Look at him. Nice. I don't know if he's within the size limit. I think the max are 24 or something like that. We gotta measure him. That's a nice fish. Look at this. Whew. Nice fish. Look at this guy. First fish of the morning. He looks really clean. 22 inches. Within the size limit. 24 is the max here. When they get bigger, not so much, but to this side they're still good eating, really good fish. Wow, first fish of the morning. I saw a pocket right there, really close to the beach. Let's see if we can get more of these guys. Nice fish. I came in and I was throwing my baits way past the breakers. First thing you want to do on a low tide, just get it out there. Especially was a muddy, we got muddy water here up close. And nothing, just nibbles. And now I'm literally getting right there, right when the waves break. Super close. I'm gonna move to this side of this rod because I believe it has more potential. I'm gonna show you where I focus my bait. Beach right here. There's a trough right here, and those breakers right there break. And there's a little spot. And the break is hit, and we have a flat spot right there. So opportunity for all that water swishing all that bait, and there could be more fish there. I just moved like 40 feet to the left and that fish hit, so hopefully there's more of them swimming over there. We don't have to get every single fish and get them home, but they are a fun fish to catch. Really feels heavy on your rod. I believe he went for the head of the shrimp with fish bite. I don't know if that matters. I always put the head closer to the bottom on a double drop rig. It's just the way I do it. It's just, it could be a coincidence. And I hit the naked rig with no floats. Not sure if that matters much in this water. Yep. On. Fish on. Oh, we had another one. Oh, we got tangled. Oh, this rod's gonna go in the water. Oh. What's going on over here? I think we got two fish on. I think we got two fish on. Let's loosen this drag. Try to get the spike more in the ground. Is there a fish on this rod too? Either we will cross or I gotta get this out somehow. Hold it. Because my rod's gonna go in the water. I just saw a much lighter spot than the black drum we just caught. Oh yeah, there's a fish on it. That thing is bending like crazy. There's a fish on it. There's a fish on this line, for sure. Man. Yeah, and it's a nice one. What is this? Ah, that's another black drum. Woo, look at this. Alright, this looks like a keeper. Hang in here, buddy. We have a fish on this line too. Oh yeah. Oh, that's unexpected. We did hit a fish on this line. I knew I saw this rod bend. Hopefully this thing not gonna escape. But this might not be a black drum. This is a stingray. Yeah, a little stingray. We're gonna take care of this guy. We don't want to have anything to do with this stingray and got hooked actually on the top. Come on, you can do it. Yep, that's a 70-incher. Beautiful, really clean. It smells good. Smells like a black drum. Look at the difference between the other one. If you remember, it was so dark. Much older fish. Let's get this fish in a bucket and let's put another bait out there. Coincidence or not, we got this second drum in the same spot on the same empty rig. Empty meaning no floats. My family is gonna have some excellent tacos out of these guys. Oh, another one. Look at this. Wow, I just got that thing in. Woo. Just got that thing in. Wasn't even 60 seconds. I think one more drum and we're good for my family. Oh, it came off and I just swam in. That's a surprise move. If this is the same fish that I'm thinking. And that's another black drum. Let's see, this guy might be a little small. Yeah, he might be a little small. Cute little guy. Yeah, this guy is just under. Gonna let him go. Go. Alright, let's put a shrimp on that one hook and see how long it's gonna take this time. Don't tell me we have a fish on already. Yeah. What was it, 30 seconds? And we might have two fish on. Oh, this. Yeah, there's a fish on this one too. On the left one. Yep. Or did they get crossed? Maybe they got tangled. But it's a fish nonetheless. It takes two rods to land a fish. I'll take it. Hopefully we didn't get tangled too much. And this might be another keeper. Let's see. Didn't take long. 30 seconds. Same spot. Yeah, that's another keeper. Probably close to 17 again. Whew, nice fish. Black drum keeper number 3. Let's try to catch some more. Fun fish to catch for sure. Like I said, they won't give you those big runs, although some of the bigger ones can. But they just heavy, they just use their weight to their advantage. And we're going to the same spot. I don't know if you're going to see it on the camera, but I'm going really close. It's just where those breakers hit. Last time it took 30 seconds, before it took maybe 40. I'm not counting, but I'm just guessing. Let's see how long it's going to take this time. If we're catching another fish, might be we're not going to catch a fish. But they do seem to like that spot over there. Oh, you just got a hit. Yeah. One of those times my rod's gonna go in. Oh, this feels good. Whew. Oh, my arm is getting tired. I didn't fish in a while. Oh, this has a little run to them. What's going on, buddy? What is this? It does feel like a drummy. Right now I'm just enjoying every single bite. It's like I said, it's been a while since I've been on the beach. It's not the biggest problem compared to what people are going through after those hurricanes. Me, thankfully, didn't have a house on the beach, but some people did, and I feel for them. So me not fishing for a while, it's not a big deal, but it does feel good right now when I'm catching fish. I think it might be another drummy. Yep, another drummy. It looks like a keeper. Nice. Nice fish. Don't let anybody tell you that they are not good fish to eat. In my opinion, they are much better than redfish. Don't keep them oversized. That's where they get spoiled, but this size and a little over, that's perfect. Beautiful. Let's measure him quick. That's like over 16 inches. He's a keeper. Beautiful fish. That's gonna be it for us. I saw something big surfacing really close to the beach. I free line a shrimp, caught some ladyfish. There might be mix of fish swimming through the beaches and chasing bait. I see greenbacks jumping everywhere, so there might be a big fish out there, but it's gonna take some time to catch. So the time that we don't have today. We caught our fish, we saw what's out there, and I will see you at the next one. Peace.